In this video clip, we are going to have a look at basic keyboard controls. Our next video clip is going to be the advanced ones. So this one's the simplest way to set up a set of controls, up, down, left, right arrows for a game. But there are quite a few different ways to do it. So let's just jump straight into it. I'm going to start by using the when a key is pressed button. And I'll start with the let's start with the right arrow. Now, normally, up until now, I've simply just been using the move. But the problem with move is move only works left and right. If you want to have a turn there, you can, but it becomes very confusing. I just want to simply have up goes up, down goes down, left goes left, right goes right. So I'm not going to use the move anymore. I'm going to come down to this change my X and change my Y. So I'm going to put change my X, because if you know your maths, you've got your X axis going left and right and your Y axis going up and down. And you can see here that it shows you here. And if you look, if I move my cat right, so at the moment it's set to 1, if I move it right, you can see that number's going up. So we want this number to go up. So I'm going to just change it to 3. Then I'm going to put in the same for left. And this time I'm going to change my number by -3. So now we can see if I push right, it's adding 3 to it. If I push left, it's taking 3 away from my X, moving me along the X-axis. Now I just want to do the same for my up and down. And you can see if I wanted to increase his speed, because he's very slow there. So let's maybe make him 6. There we go, that's a little bit better. And now we want to do the same thing for up and down. And I may as well just put the down in there as well. And I want to change up. Now if you look here, up, are we going smaller or bigger? So here's our Y. Let's have a look. If we go up, we're going bigger. And if we're going down, we're going smaller. So we have that 6 to go up. And we have -6 to go down. Let's give it a try. So up. Oh, that's because it's set, not change. Change by -6. Up, down, there's our right, there's our left. Now, we can go diagonally, but it's quite difficult. And if you notice, the movement doesn't really, it works, but it doesn't really flow as good as what you'd expect in a game. So this is kind of beginner basics for getting keyboard up and running, but it's certainly not the way I would do it. Have a look at the next video clip for advanced keyboard, and that'll show you how to actually set up a game, what I would consider properly.